वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Hello friends, welcome to Sikh History Sakhi podcast. I am Harpreet Kaur, your host. As discussed last time, Guru Nanak Dev Ji has now started his journey from Haridwar after blessing the Pandits. On the way, Guruji blesses a lot of people, making them aware of Lord's name. He tells them to be virtuous and keep away from vices. After travelling a long distance, Guru Nanak Dev Ji and Bhai Mardana Ji arrive at Kurukshetra. Kurukshetra is a place of pilgrimage just like Haridwar. There is a Brahm Sarovar where every year thousands of people take holy bath on no moon day and solar eclipses, as they believe it will free them of their sins. Moreover, Kurukshetra is the place where the war of Mahabharata happened. Mahabharata is one of the two major Sanskrit epics of India after Ramayana. It describes the war between Kauravas and Pandavas for the throne of Hastinapur kingdom. Moreover, several Sikh gurus have visited Kurukshetra on various occasions and blessed it. Now, Guruji saw that a large number of people have gathered there, as it was the time of solar eclipse and a fair was organized there. During those times, whenever there was a solar eclipse, no one was allowed to cook, as it was considered to be a grave sin and could bring harm. But the people who participated in charity during this time were considered to be blessed. Guruji and Bhai Mardana Ji settled outside the city, started singing hymns while Mardana Ji played rabab. Near the time of eclipse, King Jagat Rai of Hansi, along with his mother, was passing through the forest. He had been thrown out of his kingdom by his enemies and was going to Kurukshetra to seek blessings of a holy man who could help him solve his problem and get his kingdom back. On the way, he became very hungry and hunted a deer. He planned to eat it and then further go to the fair to get blessings. There, he saw Guru Nanak Dev Ji and Bhai Mardana Ji sitting under the tree and singing hymns. He looked at Guruji's divine face and felt his spiritual power, believing he is the true Lord. He went to Guruji and bowed and offered the deer to him. The king's servant started to cook the deer in a pot, and while it was cooking, the king told all about his sufferings to Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Guruji humbly listened to him and said, "Kingdoms are a suffering if one thinks they are for one's comfort. But if a king considers the kingdom as service to the people, like nourishing one's own children, while being in the remembrance of the Lord, then one doesn't feel the sufferings. These sufferings become work as service to people. When you are doing good to others, it will always be fruitful. Dear King, serve your subjects while remembering the Almighty." In the meantime, people saw smoke from the cooking pot and gathered with sticks to hit the person who did the sin of cooking during the auspicious time of solar eclipse, and said, as mentioned in Sri Nanak Prakash, "Ko tero hai baran atarmi, ko kino hai karm kukarmi." Meaning, who are you to do cooking during the eclipse period, you unrighteous? What is your religion, you evildoer? Answer us. and they came forward to kill. Then Guruji said, "Food is being cooked to calm the hunger, and you are welcome to kill me. But are you sure that killing a man is right during the eclipse, if killing a deer is considered evil?" People stopped and looked confused. Guruji again said, "Come and kill me." They couldn't answer Guruji. Guruji asked them to bring a senior pandit or priest so that this issue can be actually resolved and discussed. Tune in next Tuesday to know what happens when the priest arrives. I hope this brings some value to you and your family. Thank you.